Constipation is one of the most common and frustrating digestive problems people experience after the age of 60. And the truth is, it's not just uncomfortable. It can affect your mood, appetite, energy levels, sleep, and even your heart health. Yet most seniors think it's just normal aging. But here's what doctors won't always tell you. Constipation is not a natural part of aging. It's simply a sign that your digestive system needs the right kind of support. And medication is not the only answer. The colon becomes slower with age, the gut lining becomes more sensitive, and digestive enzymes start to decrease. Add in less movement, dehydration, weaker abdominal muscles, and years of eating low-fiber foods, and suddenly the gut becomes sluggish. But the good news: you can reverse this issue naturally with the help of just 5 powerful foods that have been used across cultures for centuries to support smooth bowel movements, heal the gut lining, and reset digestion. In today's video, we're diving deep into the 5 most effective natural foods that help seniors over 60 get regular again, safely, gently, and consistently. These are foods backed by science, recommended by nutritionists, and proven by millions of people who struggled with constipation and found relief without relying on harsh chemical laxatives. Laxatives may work quickly, but they can also weaken your colon muscles, lead to dependence, and disturb your gut bacteria. The foods I will share today not only relieve constipation, but also address the root causes: gut inflammation, weak peristalsis, poor hydration, and lack of natural fiber. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat, when to eat it, and how much to take to completely transform your digestive health. So stay till the end, because I'll also share a simple morning routine that works even faster than laxatives and can keep your stomach clean every single day. Let's begin with the first food, one that seniors around the world swear by. Food number 1, prunes. Prunes are often joked about as senior snacks, but there is a good reason why they've been used for decades to relieve constipation. Prunes contain 2 powerful components: soluble fiber and sorbitol. Soluble fiber absorbs water and softens the stool, while sorbitol acts as a natural, gentle laxative that stimulates bowel movement without causing cramps. Prunes also contain polyphenols, natural compounds that nourish the good bacteria in your gut. Healthy gut bacteria produce fatty acids that strengthen the colon walls, improve muscle movement, and help waste pass easily. Seniors benefit especially from prunes because they act slowly and naturally. Instead of forcing the colon to contract, prunes help the gut work the way it's supposed to. And unlike chemical laxatives, they do not cause dependency. So how many should you eat? Most seniors find relief with 2 to 3 prunes per day. If your constipation is severe, you can go up to 4 or 5, but start slowly so you don't get cramping. The best time to take prunes is in the evening or early morning, because the gut responds better overnight and during waking hours. You can soak prunes in warm water, chop them into oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie. Any method works. Prunes also help hydrate the intestines, which is essential because dehydration is one of the biggest causes of constipation in people over 60. As the body ages, thirst signals weaken, and the colon starts pulling water from the stool, making it hard and dry. Prunes counteract this dryness naturally. Scientific studies have even shown that prunes improve stool consistency better than psyllium husk, one of the most widely used fiber supplements. That tells you just how effective this fruit is. If you've been struggling with regularity, straining, or feeling incomplete bowel emptying, prunes should be your first go-to food. They're simple, effective, and extremely gentle on the digestive system. Food number 2, flax seeds. Flax seeds are one of the most underrated healing foods for seniors. They're tiny, but inside these seeds is a blend of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant compounds that work together to clean the gut, reduce inflammation, and make bowel movements smoother. Flax seeds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber softens stool, while insoluble fiber adds bulk and makes stool pass quickly through the colon. This dual action makes flax seeds incredibly effective for constipation relief. Unlike some high-fiber foods that can cause gas, flax seeds are gentle and soothing. They form a gel-like texture inside the gut that prevents dryness, lubricates the intestines, and supports healthy movement. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds contains the same amount of fiber as a bowl of vegetables, making it a very senior-friendly option. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax also reduce gut inflammation, which is crucial for people who deal with recurrent constipation, IBS, or slow digestion. But here's the important part. You must use ground flax seeds, not whole seeds. Whole flax seeds pass through the digestive system without breaking down, meaning your body cannot absorb the fiber or nutrients. Ground flax seeds, on the other hand, mix well with food and get absorbed properly. You can add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed to water, oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Some seniors prefer mixing it with warm water before bed. It works exceptionally well overnight to soften in the intestines by morning. Flax seeds also improve colon muscle function. Over time, the colon weakens and pushes food more slowly. Flax fiber stimulates gentle muscle contractions, which restores the natural rhythm of the gut. If you deal with hemorrhoids, flax seeds are especially helpful because they soften stool and reduce straining, one of the biggest triggers for hemorrhoid flare-ups. This is one of the easiest constipation remedies to add to your diet, and even a small amount taken daily can retrain your digestion naturally. Food number 3, warm lemon water. While lemon water may sound too simple, its effects on the digestive system are powerful, especially for seniors. Warm lemon water helps stimulate the gut, increase bile flow, and hydrate the intestines. All of these support smooth and regular bowel movements. The warmth of the water activates the digestive tract, making the colon contract gently. This is extremely helpful for anyone whose gut is slow or sluggish in the morning. Lemon contains citric acid, which helps break down food residue stuck in the intestines and encourages better elimination. For seniors, dehydration is one of the biggest reasons for constipation. Lemon water helps hydrate the colon while providing electrolytes that improve digestion. It also signals the liver to produce bile, which helps digest fats and move waste through the system. Drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning has been shown to wake up the digestive system better than coffee. It softens the stool, reduces acidity, and even supports gut bacteria. To prepare it, squeeze half a lemon into a cup of warm water, not hot, just warm enough to activate digestion. Drink this before breakfast. If you have acid reflux, reduce the lemon to 1/4. This small, simple habit can create massive improvements in bowel movement regularity, energy, and gut comfort. Food number 4, papaya. Papaya is one of the most healing fruits for seniors dealing with constipation, bloating, or slow digestion. The secret lies in an enzyme called papain, which helps break down protein and reduces the load on your stomach and intestines. Papaya is rich in fiber and water, both of which are essential for softening stool and preventing dryness. Its unique enzymes help digest food more efficiently, so waste does not sit in the colon for too long. Many seniors also experience inflammation in the gut due to years of processed food, medication, or low-fiber diets. Papaya contains compounds that reduce inflammation and soothe the intestinal lining. Eating papaya in the morning is ideal because the enzymes work best on an empty or semi-empty stomach. A half cup of papaya daily can significantly improve digestion, reduce gas, and promote regular bowel movements. It's gentle, light on the stomach, and perfect for seniors with sensitive digestion. Food number 5, oatmeal. Oatmeal is a cornerstone food for anyone over 60 dealing with constipation or irregular digestion. Rich in soluble fiber called beta-glucan, oatmeal forms a gel-like substance in the gut that softens stool and keeps digestion smooth. Unlike bran or raw vegetables, oatmeal is extremely gentle on the stomach. It doesn't cause gas or discomfort, making it ideal for seniors with weak digestion or IBS. Oatmeal also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, helping create a balanced microbiome, which is crucial for healthy digestion. A bowl of oatmeal in the morning is one of the best ways to start the digestive system. It absorbs water, adds bulk to stool, and helps things move through the colon without strain. Add warm water or milk to boost hydration further. You can enhance oatmeal's gut healing power by adding flax seeds, prunes, or honey. This turns your breakfast into a digestion-boosting powerhouse. Constipation doesn't have to be a normal part of life after 60. With the right foods and daily habits, your gut can work smoothly, comfortably, and naturally. These 5 foods, prunes, flax seeds, warm lemon water, papaya, and oatmeal, are simple, inexpensive, and proven to help. Add at least one of them daily, and you will start to feel lighter, cleaner, and more energized. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more senior-friendly health tips.